to my YouTube channel, dolls. My name is called Tabith Giselle. If you're new to the channel, welcome and thank you for tuning in. Please make sure you do subscribe. I do post a lot of beauty content, skincare, makeup, all that good stuff. At the moment, I'm currently filming videos every single day until the 25th of December for Vlogmas. So in case you see a lot of my videos every single day, that's what I'm currently doing. For all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. As you guys can read on the title, I'll be sharing with you my winter skincare essentials. So I'll be just showing you all of the things that I definitely recommend for winter. As some of you that live in the UK know, we do tend to have a very brutally cold winter, and these products that I'm going to recommend for you will definitely help in keeping your skin moisturized, keeping your skin looking glowing and also rejuvenated, because the winter does strip out a lot of your moistures. So it's really important to make sure that you definitely keep your skin looking supple, glowing, youthful and rejuvenated from the inside and also showing on the outside. So these are just all the products that I highly recommend for winter. First product that I definitely highly recommend, which I have seen a difference, is this Clinique Take the Day Off, and it is a cleansing balm. I really like taking off my makeup with this, especially at the moment because it's winter, because I feel like it doesn't disrupt my moistures and it doesn't strip out too much of my oils. I find that when I was using a lot of the wipes, they just used to mess about a lot with my moisture and the texture of my skin. My skin would be feeling really dry in the morning. So ever since I've started using the Clinique Take the Day Off, the cleansing balm, it's really helped in terms of no disruptions with my oils and just also giving me that moisture that I need back into my skin. Because you know, when you're taking off your makeup, you're doing quite a lot, so you need products that are going to add moisture and not strip out anything else in your skin. Second product that I definitely recommend is this moisturizer here from Avene, and this is a hydrating aqua gel, hydrating gel, a moisturizer. Absolutely love using this. I've only recently started using it. I think I've been using it for the past 3 weeks. I saw someone on my Instagram, a beauty guru that I follow, and she highly recommended it for dehydrated skin and for sensitive skin. I really like the Avene products because they're always centered around people that do have dehydrated skin and also sensitive skin. They've got a range for people with skin type of that nature, and their products are always so gentle on the skin, and highly recommend this moisturizer. It is a gel-like consistency, and as you can imagine, for your skin it just does wonders. Again, it is just hydrating, and in winter you lose all of your oils when you have contact to the weather, so you definitely need a moisturizer that is going to make sure your skin is covered in terms of that nature. And if you are somebody that does tend to have like a lot of patchy, dry, flaky skin, you might want to lean on to that moisturizer. The third product, which is also on the moisturizer, a moisturizer recommendation, is this moisturizer here, and it is from this company. I cannot pronounce the company to save my life, but it is a hydrating I think it's a 3-in-1 or 4-in-1 moisturizer. It's a multifunctioning nourishing moisturizer. You can basically use it as a mask, you can use it as a primer, and obviously you can use it as a moisturizer. It's super thick and hydrating. I like to personally use this when I'm applying my makeup, because I like my makeup to really look nice and glowy. I hate makeup that looks really drying on the skin, because you can always it kind of settles into your lines, and I feel like in order to keep your skin and keep your face away from having wrinkles and all of that, moisturizing is definitely the key. And this moisturizer is definitely a winner for me. It costs £7, I think, 99. You can now get it in Boots. Before you couldn't get it in Boots, but now it is in Boots, and it lasts literally for 4 months. I always use a little bit. A little goes a long way, and I like to use it on the nights when I do have really dry skin. The third product that I would definitely recommend for winter is this Skin Republic Prep and Glow mask. I've been really enjoying using Skin Republic's masks. I've started using them this year. I normally use a lot of the collagen mask, but this is definitely a go-to mask that I tend to go back to every so often. It's so good on the skin. It's so good for your collagen. It's so good for plumping up and giving your skin the moisture that it needs, and it really leaves your skin glowing. If you guys have watched my recent video on my skincare, I literally am using this. It's on my, I think, beauty routine, or I think it's the spa video that I did, but I literally am using this, and this is so amazing. It contains hyaluronic acid, which is definitely a must-have for keeping your skin moisturized, and it leaves your skin looking smooth, glowing and fresh and ready to put on makeup. I always feel like if you take care of your skin, when you put your makeup on, your skin looks absolutely beautiful, and sometimes you don't need to even add filters or anything like that when you take care of your skin. So highly recommend this mask for someone that definitely wants to use a mask before applying makeup. The next product is this toner here, which again I have recently started using. I have been absolutely loving it. It's a purifying toner, and it contains a lot of essential oils, and it also helps with if you suffer from acne, and it contains acylic acid and soothing grape water. It's been absolutely amazing, because I was finding that when I was using the witch hazel, as much as I do love my witch hazel, I was finding that sometimes my skin was becoming a little bit dry, and it was just missing that kind of like you know, hydration in terms of the toning step. So I was researching to find out what like alternatives are really good, and this came up as a highly recommended toner. People also recommended that it was really good for if you do tend to have acne and breakouts, if you're prone to them. It was definitely highly recommended. So I just wanted to try it for myself and see what it's like, and so far I can definitely say my skin feels really moisturized, and it also doesn't feel oily, because my problem with the toners before was that the toner that I used to use used to actually build up a lot of oil into my skin, and that's kind of what I was trying to avoid. So far I've been really enjoying this, and it's not stripping whatsoever to the face. It is literally a moisturizing toner, and I'm definitely going to keep giving you guys an update in terms of how I'm getting on with this toner. But absolutely love and highly recommend. A lot of people also did say that they found it to be very hydrating on the skin, but also helped with their main concerns, which was acne and also like breakout prone skin. Last but not least, guys, is this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. This is an absolute godsend. This is so good for the skin. Serums are generally the best part because they target different skin areas and they target different skin conditions. So at the moment I am using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair because I really want to target like keeping my skin looking younger, youthful, plumper, and also glowing. I'm really about that glow life, guys, because I just do not like looking dry or ashy, and this product here is just super amazing. I would highly recommend for people that are in their late 20s or even you know, early 20s. I'll probably say 25, to definitely incorporate this serum here. It is such a luxury product, and you can feel it working into your pores. My skin always looks very glowing. I use it sometimes in the morning times when I'm not applying any makeup, and sometimes I use it in the night time, and my skin just radiates this glow, and I have absolutely enjoyed it. I tried it before I bought it, some samples, and honestly I just wanted to buy the bigger size, and now I'm so glad that I have it. And I have the 75 mils, which is more than enough. You don't need to use loads of this serum. A little goes a long way because it is such a nourishing and hydrating serum. I would definitely recommend this for every woman to use, especially now that it's winter and the cold weather is brutal. You definitely need a serum that is going to just give you that supple and just luxurious and moisturizing and nourishing feel. So definitely recommend this. Love it so much, and can't recommend it enough. But guys, that is it for all the products for my skincare essentials. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful. I will list all of the products in the description box below. As always, please reference to that, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Mwah. Bye, dolls.